In today's video, I am going to be setting up my March Currently page, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. Thank you so much for pressing that play button today. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button. All right, so we are going to be decorating for the month of March in my Currently journal. And now I'm realizing that I did not do a good job last month of trimming off the edges. How embarrassing. I'll wait and hold off because I'll likely have to trim off edges today and I'll just do it all at one time. So I am currently using the Archer and Olive 8x8 journal. I love it for my Currently journal. I love it for a lot of my journaling. So I have I'm using this in 3 different journals currently. So let's see, what are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? So I'm going to use these. I think we're going to make a flower garden. And for the boxes, I'm going to use these. Maybe these. I don't know yet. And then I also have the regular boxes printed out too. So Martina Sticker Company's spring release is happening on March 12th. I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, so that may or may not have already happened. I got the printable version, so I printed all these out myself. These are on clear paper, so it's not a line going through it. It's just my paper is split so you can get them off. You'll see when I use these today. But Martina Sticker Company has both tangible and printable stickers. And I do have a discount code, which will save you some money off. All of that information will be down in the description box. And if you want to see all of the printable stickers that I have printed from this collection, head over to my Instagram account so that way you can see that flip through. All right. And just so you know, this comes in sizes like this, but I did it on one page, so I made it larger, which is one of the advantages of printable stickers. All right, so what I'm thinking is there's also sunflowers, but I think I want to use all of these. So I think I'm going to just put all of these across the bottom. All right, so I'm going to speed this up because this took a long time to do. It was a lot of layering and things like that I ended up doing with all the florals. So it took a lot longer than expected. So I know that you guys do not want to sit through a really long video today. So I'm going to speed it up and do a voiceover. I decided to actually add this washi tape that I believe I got off of Amazon. It has jungle leaves, so to me it kind of mimics grass. So I just went ahead and put that along the bottom to kind of add a base for the florals. So I mentioned that all of these are printables. I printed them all myself. I used for the florals this frosted clear, well, not frosted clear, but frosted transparent sticker paper. And it's kind of got more of a matte finish because it's frosted, which I really, really like. I purchased it off of Amazon. I will link it down below just in case you're interested because it is hard to find decent quality clear stickers that aren't vinyl. At least I have a hard time finding it, at least those that are economical. So I will link it down below. I will say it is pretty thin, so I do rip 1 or 2 of them and have to piece it back together. So you do have to be delicate. But if you've seen any of my other Plan With Me's, you know I am really rough when it comes to removing stickers from sticker sheets as well as pulling them off my paper. So I'm sure for most people it's not a problem, but I do want to mention that just, that's the only hiccup is I feel like it is a thinner type of sticker paper. But other than that, I do recommend it. Now, of course, for the boxes and stuff that you'll see later, that is on just regular matte white sticker paper. And that is very cheap sticker paper, but I will link that down below as well. And now you'll find out why it took me so long to do this spread, because I don't like all the white space that is between each of the florals. So then I decide that I'm gonna go in and kind of layer, but like have to cut around because I didn't want, like, when you layer the clear stickers, it kind of, you can see the one behind it, and I didn't really like that look. So I'm going to now layer stickers by cutting around them with the X-Acto knife and scissors to fill in pretty much most of the white spaces at the bottom. Which, you know, it was a tedious task, but I will say I really do like how it turned out in the end. So I had the time, so why not, right? So now it is time to add the function to my currently page. So on this left-hand side, it's gonna stay the same as it always is. I keep this more for monthly memories, and here's where I'm gonna be using the larger boxes that I printed, which I printed them in a larger size, so that way I can write more. And on the right page, that's where I'm gonna do my currently prompts, and I'm going to layer the boxes that I got from Martina Sticker Company. Those are actual plaid boxes with the like decorative, I think those are like your pop out computer message looking boxes. So I decided to layer it with that. And then of course I ripped one, so you'll have to see me piece that together. But I decided to layer those both together for my currently prompts. And as you see, I had a lot of issues with this too. I think today just wasn't my day, but I still liked how it turned out in the end. So yeah, let's just watch the struggle right now. And of course, I put one of the smaller boxes down first, and then I realized I don't really have room for the bigger box. So, you know, always, I just like throw stuff down without always thinking. So now you're going to see Undo come to the rescue so I can remove the smaller boxes to make room for the bigger boxes. So after like cutting and fitting these florals at the top, I remembered that I had also purchased some cloud stickers from Martina's Sticker Company. And I'm like, oh my gosh, they would look perfect. So now I'm gonna rip literally rip the flower stickers off the top of the page. I was not gentle at all because these are paper stickers. So I knew that they would cover up any like little rough parts of the paper. And I decided to go ahead and just line the entire top with these clouds, and I'm so glad I did. It really does help this spread out a lot. But of course, I still have to like lift up stickers to like fit the clouds under it. So I have been using this bullet journal for my currently pages since last May, and I created these currently prompts on my Cricut in the middle of last year, and I keep forgetting about them. So I finally remembered, so now I do not have to write my own prompts in there. I have these nice little printed ones, and then finally I'm going to pull out a March sticker, slap it on the page, and that's gonna be it. All right, guys, there we go. I really liked how this turned out. I'm glad I remembered the clouds. I completely forgot about the clouds, and the clouds really do make this spread because it makes it look like a whole scene. I was gonna just throw random flowers up there, and I think the clouds really pull this together. Now that I look at it, this screams April, with like the April showers or May. But I think with like the crazy temperatures that we've had this winter with like 70, 60, 80 degree days in the middle of winter, this is probably our new March anyway. So with that said, I'm happy with it. Again, all of the stickers came from Martina Sticker Companies. The blooms and the boxes came from the March 12th release. And the clouds came from an older release, but they are still on the website. Everything here I did printable versions of, but they are all available in printable and tangible versions. Definitely remember to use my discount code to save some money, and you'll also get my free little freebie with it as well. And I think she also usually does another freebie that she creates each month. So yeah. Again, I really liked how this turned out. I hope you did too. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. And if you did, please smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. That is all I have for now. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.